The first atomic test the U.S. conducted took place at the Pacific Proving Ground in the Marshall Islands, which included Bikini and Eniwetok Atoll. The Pacific Proving Ground was later expanded to include Johnson Atoll and Christmas Island. The photo at the top of the ramp is of a test named Baker, a part of Operation Crossroads. This was a weapons effects test on Bikini Atoll. You can see some of the many decommissioned United States Navy vessels as well as captured German and Japanese warships, which were used in this weapons effects test. Scientists studied the effects the bomb blasts had upon the ships, including measuring the radioactive fallout. The black spot you see on the inside right edge of the water column at the center of the photograph is the USS Arkansas, a 554-foot, 27,000-ton battleship which was lifted end on end into the air. This gives you a perspective on how powerful these weapons are. Baker was the most photographed atomic weapons test. Scientists were so concerned with capturing as much data as possible from the test that they used over half of the movie film in the world to record this blast. For more information on photographing atomic bombs, see Atomic Filmmakers, Hollywood's secret film studio, in our gift shop. During testing in the Pacific, the first thermonuclear bomb was detonated. Also referred to as a hydrogen bomb, this form of nuclear weapon greatly increased its destructive power over previous designs. In earlier weapons, chemical explosives were the only source by which to crush the radioactive core. With a thermonuclear weapon, there are two separate sections, each with radioactive material. The primary section is crushed in the usual fashion by chemical explosives. This nuclear reaction sends out X-rays to compress the secondary section, sparking another explosion. This all takes place in the blink of an eye. The power released from a nuclear blast, or yield, is measured by its equivalent to a ton of TNT explosive. You will see this measurement used throughout this gallery. 1 kiloton equals 1,000 tons of TNT, while 1 megaton equals the destructive force of 1 million tons of TNT. To the left of the Baker photograph is the Operation Castle Bravo shot. This shot was the largest hydrogen bomb tested by the United States at 15 megatons. A movie made about the Bravo shot and the fallout it produced propelled the protest movement against atmospheric testing into an organized worldwide movement. In the center of this room is a rocket nose cone used to sample a mushroom cloud. As it was shot into the cloud, it would grab a sample and fall to the water below. Also, in this case, you will see a timing and firing signal relay used to detonate a nuclear weapon. On the wall directly opposite the Baker shot photograph, you will see two photographs of thermonuclear tests. The smaller photograph is of King, a 500-kiloton fission bomb. The large photo is the first thermonuclear bomb tested, Mike. At 10.4 megatons, Mike terrified everyone who observed the test and witnessed its giant mushroom cloud, which reached to a height of 25 miles into the atmosphere. Please take the time to learn more about atmospheric testing in the Pacific by using the interactive touchscreens in the center of this gallery.